Hey guys, welcome to MP Dano's Garage. Today I'm going to go ahead and do a review. This is the initial review of an LG refrigerator that we just bought. We're coming from a Samsung, and Samsung basically has been nothing but a nightmare. From after a few months, the ice maker stopped working, had to keep de-thawing it, etc., etc. I think we bought this probably about 4 years ago, and just recently the freezer stopped working and pretty much just had enough with it. So we ended up buying that LG to replace it with. So this is the Samsung that we're replacing with. I mean, beautiful. I mean, Samsung makes some really nice looking refrigerators, and what I really wanted was that hub and everything that's on this side of the door as a replacement. But I said, you know what? It doesn't seem like they figured out their ice maker still, and then that bothers me. But anyways, so this is the model number of this Samsung. I don't know if you can see it. What's this? Metal model code. There you go. Right there. And it has the flex zone. So actually this bottom right you use kind of like just for breads and stuff like that. You could also change it to a freezer. Well, not anymore because the freezer doesn't work. Anyways, this is the old one. Just kind of got it hooked up right now until we can transfer the foods. We just got our LG delivered today. And I'm going to show you that in a second here. Be right back. Okay guys, this is our LG. It's a French door with the freezer at the bottom. It has this really cool, you can actually see on this side what the contents are by just giving it a knock. Kind of neat, I guess, for energy savings. Plus, this button, you can just open up that side and there's actually, which is nice, which our other one didn't have, our Samsung, so that way it keeps the cold air, it keeps it from escaping from the back side. So, and then to open up the right side, just pull on the handle, and there she is. Plenty of room. I still have the refrigerator actually pulled out a little bit. I just hooked up the water for the ice maker and water. So here, a couple drawers that you can set fruit or vegetables. Another lower drawer here, a little bit shallow, but you know, flat stuff, I guess. And the cool thing about this too, you can actually open this right side door right here to gain stuff from the inside. Always good to have neat features. And then the right side, I'm kind of working with limited space here. This is the left side. Space isn't all that great, but what's neat here, you can open and get to the actual ice maker right here, and you can lift it out, get the ice out. There's actually a tray down in the freezer area where you can have, you know, I guess a bucket full ready for guests or whatever, or what have you. And to close this back up, just latches, boom, and that little beeping noise just means that, well, your fridge is open. Close it. It does have that feature, smart grid Wi-Fi. I haven't set it up yet. Literally just got this refrigerator like 30 minutes ago. So there's all the features here: temperature of the freezer, temperature of the refrigerator, and you can choice out your cubed, you know, water or crushed ice. And there's a dispenser. There was some kind of other stuff that was in a bag, but I had just taken the tape off. It just took me forever. This is the freezer. Nice deep bins. Nice pull-out tray. And this is that ice cube bucket. And let's see. I'm gonna put this up. Just so you know, there's actually an air filter back there for doing maintenance. Looks like you twist it counterclockwise to open it. Now let's do it. There you go. So the filter's right there, obviously brand new. Just got it. And then just, there you go. Clockwise to close it. And on the upper left is the water filter, which I installed just now, so I get the ice maker going and get that nice and cold, the water to come out of there. Oh, I'm so excited because I've been without an ice maker for 4 years. But there you go. And just to give you the full tour, let's see here. There's the model number, LFXS26586D Delta. That's this model, and this one is the supposedly fingerprint, water resistant, black stainless steel. And on the very bottom right, that's where you connect your water line for your ice and water. I kind of have it pulled out right now. I just want to make sure that I got a good seal, because once this thing gets loaded down with food and then what have you, it's going to be heavy, and don't want to cause a flood in the house. And what you want to do too is make sure you get yourself a good stainless steel line. I know sometimes they come with those plastic ones. Don't chance it, because be that one time you've gone to work and the thing breaks in the morning, then all of a sudden your house is flooded when you get home. Not good. But I'm going to do some research and figure out, I guess there's some maintenance stuff besides the air filter and something else. I'm not really sure yet, but I'll research it and figure it out and then try to keep up on it. Just want this to last, since this unit cost us about $3,100. I don't usually spend so much on a fridge, but you know what? They last for years, and hopefully this one doesn't die like that. Oh God, Samsung. Just don't do it. Anyways, this is a really quick review. It's an initial review. We'll give it maybe, I don't know, 6 months, maybe a year, and then I'll do a follow-up and let you all know how I like it, how my family likes it. As long as the wife's happy, then we're good to go. Anyways, if you like the video, please subscribe, like. That'd be awesome. Have a great day, and I hope this was helpful for you. Okay guys, just want to give a quick follow-up. I've had the refrigerator now for a couple days, and just want to show you some of the features that I found. And man, I'm really loving it. Love the ice. It's awesome. So here, when it first comes from the factory, it's at 0 for the freezer and 37 for the fridge. And I had adjusted this morning, just wasn't cold enough. But oh, love this. Yeah, we're full. That. So here, I think I explained before, you can choose water, crushed ice, cubed ice. I actually have mine set up on my ThinQ app, where you can monitor a couple things. Let me kind of log into my phone and show you. So here, hopefully you can kind of see that. Is like the home page, and then shows that my refrigerator is on. Click that, kind of gives you temperatures, air filter, and I was looking up that Sabbath mode, and I had to actually Google that. And so what that is for, I guess, Jewish, during certain times of the year, you can't turn on things on or off, or so it has to do with electrical appliances as well. You can turn that on. So I'm not Jewish, so we'll be using that feature. There's energy saver stuff going on here, and yeah, really enjoying this thing. And it also made me some ice down here as well. Look at that. It's awesome. This thing is cold. Anyway, just want to show those couple features that I found so far, and how much we're really enjoying this thing. It's definitely doing what it's supposed to do, and well, just hopefully it lasts for a few years. Hey guys, been 2 weeks now. We've had this LG fridge, and well, just want to say I've been pretty happy with it, especially that well, now I have ice, and our freezer works. Awesome. So I just want to let you guys know that well, so far so good. Samsung will never buy another Samsung fridge again, especially since that ice maker problem and with the reviews and stuff like that. People saying that hasn't been resolved. That's a big deal for me. And if I'm going to spend as much as I did on another refrigerator, I want it to last more than 5 years, which the Samsung pretty much ice maker was problematic from a few months out. Yeah, I just gave up on it, and the freezer going dead pretty much put the nail in the coffin for that brand for me. So now we're LG fans, and so far we're super loving it. time will tell. So we'll see in a couple years. We'll do a part 2 on this guy, and we'll see how it's lasting then. If you like my review, please subscribe. Helps us out a lot. Like the video, share the video, and see my other videos. I've got plenty of other stuff going on. I don't do a lot of reviews. Most of my stuff has to do with vehicle mechanics and how-tos and stuff like that. But if leave a comment. Let me know if this helped you out or helped you make your decision. And your stories about Samsung. Maybe I'm the only one, but just by looking at all the reviews on Samsung, I'm not the only one. Anyways, so long for now. Thanks for visiting MP Daniel's Garage, and we'll see you on the next video. Out.